Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to take the screenshot in Water. Okay, here is basically a screenshot will take for full screenshot. Okay, full screenshot. If you want to take for specific element of screenshot, then you need to install for Selenium WebDriver. Okay, Selenium WebDriver. Once you install, then only you can able to take a specific element screenshot. Okay, but Water by default it will support you for full screen, so not required for any additional. Okay, till that we are used for only Water related methods only. Okay, now only I am going to show you for full screenshot. In case if you need for by using Selenium driver with the specific element, then you can comment on this video. I can able to help you to specific element code providing. Okay, or you can able to see in my git repo and there will be presented. Okay, and next video session onwards we are going to create for framework structure. There also there is a screenshot I will explain you. In case if you don't, if I'm not explaining here, then I will explain the framework level as well. Okay, there I will explain definitely. Okay, don't worry about it. Now we are going to use for require and Water, and then we are need to initialize the browser Water colon browser dot a new colon Chrome. Okay, we need to maximize that browser, and we need to use the browser dot go to. Okay, and here the full page we are going to taking the full page, right? I'm going to take this URL. Okay, and specifying this. Okay, now I need to take that full screenshot browser dot screenshot dot save, and I'm going to use the full underscores screenshot dot png. Okay, this will help you to take the screenshot till that there is no screenshot image. Okay, and we need to see that full screenshot how we can able to see. Okay, now I'm going to run this particular one. Now you can see here is the my full screenshot. Okay, here is my full screenshot. Okay, like this we can able to take, but specific element one I'll explain in the while I'm explaining the framework, right? There is a concept will I will explain how to take the screenshot and keep it into specific folder, and there I will explain you this specific element case. Okay, you can watch in the next video session time. Definitely I will explain it there as well. Okay, thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.